everyone, welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to open a twisted skein and how to make a yarn cake out of it. So let's get started. First, open this skein like this label part, and then untwist it like this. There are some knots here. These are some extra layers. Cut these knots. Now here is the end and starting point. Cut this both and spread it like this. Now for making yarn cake, you can use cardboard roll. If you don't have, you can use any bottle like perfume bottle or anything. And then take this strand like this and wrap it around this bottle like this, from bottom to up, like this, from bottom to up, and roll this bottle also. While wrapping, roll this bottle also. Attach this strand here with tape or anything. Cut this label carefully from bottom to up while rolling the bottle. Before doing this, be sure to watch the complete video because it's the wrong way to open the skein and start making yarn cake like this. So be aware. This is what happened with me because I have never did this before. So full tangled yarn, but after 2 to 3 hours, I solved this tangle and made a ball out of it. Now I am again showing you how to make a cake. So wrap the yarn from bottom to the up like this while rolling the bottle. I'll show you the correct way of doing this with other skein within few moments. I have made a small yarn cake and I cut that ball out. Now in the end, remove the tape . And remove that yarn cake. Push it like this. So this is your yarn cake completed. Now add a label here to make it more professional. You can use tape if it is short. So this is it. Your small yarn cake is ready. Now let me show you the correct way of doing it. Open this skein like this. Again spread it like this. But now take a chair or anything which have 2 pillar like thing. Like my table is having these 2 stands, and spread this yarn like this, and then start unwrapping the yarn. This is the secure and best method to open a skein because in this way you will be safe from the tangles. Now you can make a ball of it, you can wrap it around a bottle, you can make a yarn cake at home. No need to buy those expensive tools. Just start taking this yarn few layers and then wrap it around a bottle like the way we did, from bottom to up, from bottom to up. Again take out little yarn, 1 round or 2 round, and start wrapping it around the bottle. Do not take all the yarn at once because it will again cause tangle. So this is my bulky yarn cake, you can say. Push it downwards to remove it. Remove the tape. This is hollow yarn cake. Push from both sides with both hands. Again, label it. Now this label is way too small. What I'm gonna do is I'll take extra label which I have of other yarn, because this material of paper, I don't want that, it's really best. And I'll attach it like this, backward of it, because I don't want to confuse myself with 2 companies on one yarn cake. So keep the right company in front and the other label opposite side of that. Tape it. So this is your new yarn cake ready. 2 professional yarn cakes made at home by just using a perfume bottle. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.